None of what I was saying was recording. This entire thing I did. I don't care. And I keep doing it. Where did it go? Oh. I just completely, for some reason, although I did this a lot in high school, I forgot about not getting it on my ears and stuff. I forgot what a mess this is. And I just did it without thinking. That's what my entire legs look like. I was watching the video on the tutorial of how to cut your own hair. I messed up. I cut myself. Almost cried. And then I realized there's worse things going on in the world, and then I got over it. And then I started dyeing my hair. That's basically a summary of the last hour of footage. I'm gonna use my phone just to show you guys closer what I did to myself. I completely forgot how to dye my hair. Look at my leg. And earlier when I squirted it and then I didn't know where it went, I found it. It's right there. And I think the video came out really bad. It was really organized in my head. Trying to give myself a makeover. I was gonna cut my hair and then I was going to dye it and then let it sit for 15 minutes and then tint my brows because that needs to sit for 10 minutes. So then after 25 minutes, take a shower, dry my hair, and then show my reveal. But I just kind of messed everything up. But I'm gonna stop recording, sit here, and then go take a shower. After I shower and show what I look like. All right, came out really dark, but the eyebrows came out all right. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, I already see some patches. It looks like I definitely got rid of a lot of split ends. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair off camera, come back. It's so dark. I wasn't expecting that. Definitely feels better. I don't think you can really tell I messed up my haircut because my hair is so dark it looks boring. I think it looks better than my hair before because my hair before just was not nice. It was dead, it looked yellow and flat, and it felt nasty. I do prefer having lighter hair. I love darker hair. I like darker hair more than lighter hair on other people. I just feel like on myself, I like to normally wear dark clothes too, so I like the contrast between the light hair and my dark clothes, and also I just feel like I don't have very much dimension. With dark hair, it just kind of looks like one. But I think this is better for now than what I had before. I will definitely go back to light hair probably in the summer. I thought it was going to be brown, but it looks black.